So I'll have you start on your stomach. We'll start from the foundation and work our way up. All right, so let's take a look. That's okay when I bring the legs up?
Yep.
All right. So ever so slightly shorter on the right. And so we're going to do an adjustment for that. Is that okay when I press through those?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, lay on your left side. That's good. Bring this leg up. This one's staying straight. And we're going to go right through here. Ready?
Yep.
So a little push here. Good. And let's go onto your stomach again. See if that balanced it. So that does look perfect. And that's still okay when I bring the legs up.
Yep.
Good. And we're staying balanced there. That's good. Good job. That's still okay when I press through these?
Yep.
Okay. A little tight up through there
Yeah. That's,
and there.
I felt that.
What's that? You felt that here?
Yep.
Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to come around here. And I'm going to steal your arm. I might give it back. And just let loose with the arm. So we're going to bring it up and down like this. Is that okay when I do that?
Yep.
So we're working on releasing the levator scapula, muscle that goes from the shoulder blade up into the neck. We got a little bit there, so we're going to do this side too. Is that okay?
Yep.
All right. So now, let me have you roll onto your back. And let's see. So C1. Is that tender when I press up here?
Feel it on this side.
Right there.
Yep.
Not on the right side.
No.
So we're going to do an adjustment here. Let's see one. Little push right through here. And one more. There it is. Good. You felt that?
I did. Mm-hmm.
How does that feel when I press through there now?
Better.
Better.
Yeah, I don't feel it yet.
And then we have the high atlas plane line. So we need to do an adjustment to help with that. So I'm going to have you slide down a little bit towards your feet. And we're going to do this one. This is going to come up and drop just like that.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like I'm going to smash his head into the pillows, but what we're really doing is a stretch at the base of the skull. So this is okay here.
It is, yep.
And a little push. That was all right?
Yep.
Good. So we're going to do 2 more of those. Last one. Perfect. That's still okay when I press through these?
It is, yep.
Okay. And now let's go hands behind the neck. Fingers interlocked, elbows up. Nice deep breath in and let it all go. Good. There we are.
All right.
Rise and shine. Take it for a test drive.
Feels good.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Enjoy your new spine.